Hello foodies, my name is Christopher Fread and welcome to the Opa Vlog Redefining Greek Cuisine live from my studio. Today we are talking all about the tomato, or is it tomato, which is a staple of Greek cuisine. With tomatoes there is the age-old argument, is it a fruit or a vegetable? Technically, since it contains seeds and grows on a flowering plant, it is classified as a fruit and not a vegetable. China is the #1 producer of tomatoes around the world, and the United States is a close second. Florida grows the most tomatoes than any other state. But today, I'm going to show you how to make a Cretan-style salad, very different from the traditional, which includes grated feta, red onions, grated tomato, olives, and rust bread. The one I'm going to show you is going to include heirloom tomatoes, feta cheese, Kalamata olive tepignon, and dill aioli. This is sure to be a hit at your next dinner party. For today's Cretan-style salad, the recipe is going to be included on Opa Vlog on ChristopherFread.com. So if you do need the recipe and you want to make it at home, it is going to be there for you. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, we have our tomatoes. We're going to add the olive oil and the white balsamic vinegar, our red onions. We're also going to add our fresh oregano, salt, and pepper. We're going to mix that and let that sit just a little bit. Now that we have our tomatoes ready to go, we have our Kalamata olive tepignon. We have our dill aioli, we have the feta cheese, drizzled with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of black pepper. We also have our French bread that's just been toasted off. It was tossed with a little bit of oil, salt, and pepper, and then just put in the oven. We can drizzle a little bit of olive oil on that when we're ready to use. Now we're gonna start plating our dish with our dill aioli on the bottom, our marinated tomatoes and onions, followed by our feta cheese, Kalamata olive tepignon, and our French bread. Fresh herbs are gonna go on top. Finished with a little bit of Greek olive oil, and just like that, you have the Cretan-style salad. Hey everybody, I just want to say a quick thank you for watching today's video. If you liked it, please make sure you subscribe, comment, share with all your family and friends. I'm going to leave you with a question for today. Since the tomato is a fruit, is ketchup a jam?